Imagine having your own personal data analyst right within your dashboards. In the world of business intelligence, ChatGPT has found its home. You can now interact with your data in natural language. Ask questions, seek insights, and get instant, easy-to-understand responses. No more navigating difficult menus or trying to decipher confusing charts. Whether you're a seasoned data professional or just starting your analytics journey, our solution opens some new options down the road. Gain deeper insights, uncover hidden trends, and explore your data in ways you never thought possible. Wondering how you can have a smart conversational AI assistant at your fingertips? We have seamlessly integrated ChatGPT capabilities into Power BI thanks to the advanced tools of the Microsoft Power Platform. Our solution leverages Power Apps to provide an intuitive chat interface, enhanced by Power Automate to capture and to forward queries to Azure OpenAI. The integration aims to democratize data analysis, ensuring it's available to everyone within an organization. Our offering addresses accessibility, improves efficiency, and strengthens collaboration, empowering everyone to extract the utmost value from data and make well-informed decisions effortlessly. Now, let's discover together how to transform the business intelligence landscape with ChatGPT. We explored 4 use cases: business tips, interactive data analysis, collaboration and sharing, and user support. Whether you're uncertain about the most pertinent KPIs for your business, or you're wondering about the most effective visualizations to showcase your data, ChatGPT is here to assist you. Feel free to ask for guidance on which KPIs or visualizations to employ for monitoring your data. ChatGPT allows users to ask questions in natural language about the data in Power BI, providing them with immediate and interactive responses. This streamlines data analysis, minimizing the necessity to create complex reports or queries. The integration of ChatGPT in Power BI enables enhanced collaboration also among users. It allows easy sharing of metadata, information, and documentation with colleagues or clients, enabling them to explore and interact with the data. ChatGPT offers users support within Power BI. Users can inquire about utilizing specific features, troubleshoot issues, or receive guidance on configuring and effectively using Power BI. We are future-ready. The integration of ChatGPT within the renowned interface of Power BI brings the analytics process to the next level.